Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to fix Roblox error code 403. So now there could be a couple of reasons why this error just pops up, but the only fix for this is that you uninstall your Roblox game and install that again. And for that I have uploaded few videos on to that fixing issue. They will also fix the issue if Roblox is not opening up or just Roblox is having an error launching. So the steps were, you simply need to head over to your search and from there to your run and just search for app data, like for example in here, and click on OK, and you will be able to see a folder just opens up and you're simply going to be searching for Roblox in here. Once you do, you simply need to uninstall this particular folder which shows up at the very first place, and after that what you need to do is simply install your Roblox game again. So you simply need to head over to download Roblox, and from there you're going to be pressing on this particular download link, and once you do you'll be able to see that a direct download link will be opened up and you can simply click on this download now, and hopefully that will fix your issue of error code 403. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm really hoping that you're liking this series and these are being helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks so much.